Hello and welcome to the system. In this quick video, I'll show you the basics on how to get started with your funnels. So, when you selected your design for your funnel, in this section you'll be able to edit everything with simple drag and drop. You can arrange the position of all the elements and you can add anything to your design. As you can see, it's super smooth and easy. By clicking on the add block, you can add any section into your design, and just with one click, let's say that you want to add a call to action like this, and you add it to your design right there, and you have the countdowns and all the things, call to actions that you want to have. If you don't want it, you can just delete this section, but you can modify everything about the beautiful designs that you already have. And if you want to access all the pages from your funnel, all you have to do is click on the funnel button on the left side in the middle. So there you see all the things about the funnel. In this case, we have the steps, which is in this funnel a landing page, a checkout with an upsell, and a thank you page. You can add any step that you want by clicking on add new step, or you can do A/B testing. You can add a new upsell and downsell. This is one-click upsells and downsells. The easiest way to do so, just by clicking there, you can select an upsell or downsell design, and that's it. You can do it for all the steps as well. So you can do all these things from this section, and we have detailed videos on how to manage all your funnels by clicking on the videos button. You can do all sorts of different things. If you click on the dashboard, you can see all the account information, such as the project that you're in, the admins that you can add to your funnel, billing details, affiliate account, all these things. And you can go back to the affiliate, to the building section as well, where you can edit all the pages of your funnel. Let's say that you want to go to the checkout. Click on the funnel section and click on checkout. You can now start editing everything about your checkout and etc. You can do it any type of funnel. It can be lead generation, webinars, promotion of anything, you name it. You can build such funnel, simple and easy. You can see other things such as analytics, sales that you've done, orders, products, upsells and downsells that you might have if this is a sales funnel. You can also access different things such as the store. This is where you can actually create your products and see all your orders, create discount codes. Well, basically manage everything that you want when it comes to sales. In this engage section is actually the CRM. In the CRM, you can see all the contacts from all the sales or from lead generation. And here you can manage everything, filter them. And if you have a membership type of subscriptions, you can also manage all that here as well. And this is fully free for every funnel that you have on your system. So it's really easy to manage all these things from one place, and you don't have to, connect it to other platform. You have everything in one amazing place. From the store, again, you can see all the products that you'll be selling. You can see all the orders you may have, and it's easy to do and manage everything from one place once again. And you can also build whole full-grown websites, not only funnels. And if you want to build a new funnel or a new website inside your project, all you have to do is click on the button here. There you can see all the funnels inside this particular project, and you can see all the websites. And from button here, you can create a new funnel or a new website. All the designs that you build, they're all responsive, and you can click on the phone view and you can see how your design is looking on mobile. And if you wish, you can fully modify it the way you want. We have videos for all these quick things that you can do by clicking on the video section and see all the videos about how to do different things with the system. Other cool things that you can do is you can globally change the colors, the fonts, the text throughout your websites and your funnels with just a few clicks, so you don't have to spend a lot of time changing it everywhere one by one. And if you want to connect a domain, it's so simple. Just click on the website setting, on the funnel settings, click on domain and connect your domain. And you can do it for every funnel that you have on your project. And you can have subscriptions with 30 funnels, with unlimited funnels, so you can connect a customer and a domain to each one of your funnels. And obviously you can use them for different projects or for different customers the way you want. If you want to preview what you currently see, just click on the preview and you can see the actual funnel in action and you can test it out. And finally, if you want to add new elements into your page, simply click on the add widget. There, with drag and drop, you can add any button anywhere, or actually any type of widget anywhere into your design, not just buttons. And this is it. This is how simple it is. You can adjust everything with drag and drop. You can add new elements, new blocks, and you can go crazy and build the most amazing lead generation and sales funnels on the market. So this is in a nutshell how you can use the funnels and the builder to build amazing things for your business and for your customers. And if you have any questions, just let me know and we'll try to help you as much as we can.